The dashboard is your central control panel. It gives you a quick overview of your account activity, chatbot performance, available resources, recent leads, and shortcut actions, all from one screen. Whether you are managing chatbots, generating SEO content, or reviewing customer conversations, the dashboard helps you monitor everything efficiently. When you log in, you are automatically taken to the dashboard. The dashboard is designed to give you a high-level summary of your account and access to the platform's main tools. Main areas of the dashboard. 1. Resource Usage Summary. At the top of the dashboard, you will see your account usage statistics. These include messages. Left shows how many AI chatbot messages remain in your plan. Training data. Left displays how much training data storage is still available. Content credits left used for AI-generated content such as blogs and FAQs. Chatbot slots used shows how many chatbot slots are currently active on your account. For example, if your plan allows 10 chatbots and you have created 2, the dashboard will display 2 Your Chatbots. The Your Chatbots section displays all chatbots currently connected to your account. For each chatbot, you can view chatbot name, active status, message count, leads generated, conversation count. You can also click Manage to open and edit a chatbot. 3. Website Audit Summary. The Website Audit panel provides a quick SEO and website performance overview. You can view your audit score, monitor SEO performance, run a new website audit. 4. Recent Conversations. This section displays the latest chatbot conversations from your visitors. You can quickly see conversation title, chatbot used, lead status, date and time. Lead statuses may include captured in progress, skipped. This helps you monitor chatbot engagement and customer interactions. 5. Recent Leads. The Recent Leads section stores visitor leads collected through your AI chatbots. Information shown includes lead name, email address, capture date. To view more details, locate the lead. Click View 6. Quick Actions. Quick Actions provide shortcuts to commonly used tools. Available shortcuts include Generate FAQ, Generate Blog, Create Chatbot Website, Audit. These shortcuts allow you to access important tools without navigating through multiple menus. 7. Plans and Resources. The lower right section allows you to upgrade your plan, purchase add-ons, unlock additional resources. Examples include extra chatbot slots, additional messages, more training data, extra content credits, 8 feature suggestions. At the bottom of the dashboard, you can submit feature requests directly to the team. To suggest a feature, click Suggest a Feature. Enter your idea or request. Submit the suggestion. The team reviews user feedback for future platform improvements. Left Navigation Menu. The left sidebar contains the main navigation menu for the platform. Available sections include Dashboard, Chatbot, Usage, SEO Generator, Analytics, Plans and Upgrade, Billing History Settings, Support, Feature Requests. Your current subscription plan is also displayed at the bottom of the menu.